You know, Steve, the last time I got a CX-9, it was like a reduction of $5,000 with rebates and discounts.
Raul, I understand. And the mere fact that I'm asking you to pay not just MSRP, but MSRP plus $3,000 has got to be just slightly upsetting, correct?
Yeah, I'm wondering why I'm still here talking to you.
Okay. Well, the first reason you're still here, Raul, is we've got the vehicle, okay? But the second reason is, you know, when we discounted it at $5,000 the last time you bought this vehicle, why did we do that?
Well, there were plenty around, and you guys had to match the deal of the other competitors.
We had to price it based on the market at that particular time. Raul, for the last 42 years, people have been getting discounts from dealers and rebates from factories, okay? And the dealers didn't discount them because they were charitable. The factories didn't give away money because they felt obligated to do it. Everybody prices their products to the market. We had to discount the vehicles. In many cases, the factory had to provide incentives. Now things have changed just a bit. Obviously, COVID started it. Then supply chain issues kicked in. And then the chip shortage. Now we've got a Russia-Ukraine battle going on, which is costing the factories raw materials that they used to get from Russia. Everything has changed. That's why I'm asking you to pay $3,000 over MSRP. But what I'm going to say next is going to sound completely crazy. Raul, that is a discount off the market-based price. Now, and I know what you're thinking. How can a $3,000 over MSRP price be a discounted price? Am I reading you right?
Yeah.
All right. You're familiar with Edmunds.com, correct?
Sure.
Okay. Have you ever been on the website called Icarscom?
No.
Okay. Icarscom teaches people how to buy vehicles. They teaches the consumer how to get the best deal. In April, they came out with a report on vehicle pricing. They got their data from Edmunds.com. And here's what they said. By the way, how much sales training did you get in elementary school? No, you got just a little bit. It was called show and tell. Okay? Do you remember show and tell? Did they have show and tell when you guys went to elementary school? Okay. They did when I went to school. This is show and tell. Right now, I'm a car salesman talking. Now I'm about to back it up with evidence. This is called a third-party proof statement. Okay? It's designed to lend legitimacy, validity, and integrity to the story I just told Raul. Okay? Here's what they came up with. Okay? They said 82% of the people are buying vehicles are paying over MSRP. I know what you're thinking. You want to be in the 18%, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, if you're in the 18%, you're not buying a Mazda CX-9. You're buying some other vehicle that is in much less demand. Or you live in Michigan, where you work for General Motors or Chrysler or Ford, and you're getting employee pricing. That's the other 18%. And as you can see, the average people are paying over MSRP is 9.9%. Round that up to 10%. And if we were pricing the CX-9 to the market, we would have added almost $5,000 to the MSRP. But as it is, we only added $3,000, okay? So I'm going to need your okay, and then I would just quickly reclose. And I'd say, turn the whatever worksheet I was working with, put it in front of him and say, I need you to okay one of these payments or whatever. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay? Am I telling the truth?
Yeah.
Is it in story form?
Yeah.
Look, you want to make a lot of money selling cars? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Become a great storyteller. Okay? When I say story, I'm not talking about lying. I'm talking about storytelling. The best people, the highest paid people in this country are authors and screenwriters and music people and sales people who tell good stories.